Hey, kwakuti wahu na ompese mefi angel. And then I mean can intasable nchira. Then I must say, yam block me. Me do security gate one. I will angel I walk for the security man say, boss, me I can't stop you. Go and work. Me what no kwakuti in frey. Let me sorry pie. Any poor di me hun kon sapa yes ISD ni no. Me share SD ni kon concern to say Kojo Dixon da.
Oh, onomo.
Hey, SD ni odi kon konsa. Akwa no ye nipa bone me nya mbetua nka.
Ampara.
Hey, ni ye friend Kojo Adom. Obi ani ma me ka kire wo. On di Kojo Dixon hui. Ye friend Kojo Adom. Na all copies no. Ni ye se wo di Adom. What the better piece so ntia for Dixon bisa no somewhere
because my sister hold omo to di because
that is too doing for
kwame amo
akwa concern SD ni ene be mere do okwa so nyame ntwia wo ka ageta sa akwa no wini ana do 12:13 am na Kojo Dixon jamigate no dey letter fi kokwo ten ho a bronze na assign say ya suspend me 12 midnight me come chi am hu da sick and me catch security man say na your friend no or say me so say open the gate but don't take the letter from him obi na say awe this time of the night obeji wuni an asa wo say o say my friend boss o say me mra wonsu Kojo Dixon me na me ma kwakuti ma oprado that time me am de me am car na kwa adwuma na me catch kwakuti say toka ma no na kwa no waye mobo fi piece owo piece fem no waye mobo oba ha waye mobo obota ya ase wafe
oh
80 fama no ene e ma oprado ne yesanse sama me na ma yesesa me ko bronze ni ayi ochami ko fi yiri ya friend say Stacy kwa ayi me ye director of operations me ba me the Land Cruiser na ba adwuma me wo ML me wo Mercedes Benz me sa wo Toyota Highlander ba do me post switch en Kojo Dixon or a general manager for Angel FM Accra otwi Canada ade me chikura ye car tie bottle ada we tourist we are tourists now car tie bottle. Tourists no more to quay on car tie bottle. It wouldn't have paya. We a guy we spent time in our car, Nancy. And I'm what? Land Rover.